If you're currently being bombarded with lots of alerts coming in from your TikTok application, then I'm going to show you how to turn off those TikTok app. Then I'm going to show you how to turn off those TikTok notifications coming from TikTok on your phone. So all you have to do, guys, if you're using an Android phone, just simple swipe up and you want to type in settings. You can find it as well. Open up the settings. You want to scroll down and find apps in the list. And once you open up the apps, you can use a search at the top there to simple type in TikTok, right? Then once you find the TikTok application, open up the notification section and just simple turn off the notifications from here, right? If you don't want to turn off all the notifications, really, you can go back, turn it on, but you have all those notifications are stored or saved. And guess what? You can just go ahead and turn off the notification from the lock screen by unchecking that and at the notification pop-up screen. What you want to only leave is the app notification badge. So only the application on your phone will show that you have some notifications there, and you can check that at your own convenience. You will not receive continuous pop-up or notifications coming on your phone and clutter your phone notifications on your lock screen or on your notification pop-up. So that's it, guys. You can choose whichever option you want, whether turn it off fully or simple choose the type of notification that you want to receive. And I think the most convenient one, and I think to really keep this really minimal, is to only use the app icon badge to receive notifications. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.